Guys, maglinis tayo. Well, I'm already done my fixing. Now I do cleaning. Oh my God. I'm so happy what I did. Ano siya guys, vinyl. Hindi na yun. I'll put also the fan so that it will dry. Because before, it's too much water. Daming tubig. Grabe. Makabaliw. Cleaning time guys. Cleaning. Guys, kumusta? See guys, my messy sink. You know what? My husband is plumber, but I don't know. My husband is very busy for job guys. Now my concern is leakage. Now I will make it like this guys. Even then if I put the water will open here. The water will come this side and get low. Now I have idea. I will fix the like a bottle. I will try. Because my husband, I'm how many times I telling just fix. Oh, no. Now I will use my brain now guys. Because if you have husband plumber, oh my God, he's busy always. See, if like this, all the water will come. Again, will come this side. All leakage. Now, I will check what I will need to do. Because now, my husband is very busy. Now, he cannot do also in the house. Because he's busy. Now, I will do by myself. Now, what I will do, I will cut this one. For the draining, for the temporary only, guys. I will cut for the temporary so that it will now I have already here back to back. At least I have empty one. I will remove this one because this one is already leaked. Sorry for the mess, huh? Now what I will do, I will put this one here. See, you hear that guys, the water? The water is you hear that? Now I will insert here. Oh my God, attention this one guys. And also, every time I wash the dishes, every time the water will coming. Now I need to make it the solution. Because it's always busy. Now I found another one like this. I found from outside. Ilagay ko to. So that the water and then, see? Short kasi siya guys. Oh, maliit. Maliit ang ano siya. I don't know. We check also in market, but they have also a small. That's why I make it idea. I just insert this one. I have, at least I have this one, guys. Starting, I already covered. Now, I make like this. And then I will try to on the water. Now, I'll try to on the water, guys. Now, I will remove it. Yay! Thank you, Lord. No water coming out, guys. New idea for the wife, di ba? Mm. Oh my God. Good job myself. Now, if he will come home and cannot, I will do this one. Maybe I don't know what. Because I told him already he is busy. Now, I will do also my plumbing job in my house. And thank you, Lord. It's done already. I don't have any tension, guys, because the water will coming down. Oh my God. Now, idea now. Thank you, guys. Love you all. Finally, I'm done. Thank you, guys. Awesome. My new para din ako ano guys, plumber, 'di ba? My new plumber job. Kaway-kaway sa mga plumber na asawa. I'm done cleaning. Now organized now. I don't know if organized, that is already in the meantime. Dito I'm done already. Here I'm already covered. That's right there. Bye guys. Now I'm done. Natapos ko na din ang aking paglilinis. Prepare tayo ng snack ni Sofia, guys. Bakla natin. Bread with jam. Kunti lang yan ako guys kasi ano si Sophia ang tawag ko? Allergy sa if too much sweet or jam, magkaano siya coffee. Ubo. At least the bread is new. Sticky siya. Lagay na natin sa ano ni Sophia. Plus isang saging, banana slide. Ganyan na siya para at least malinis naman yung saging. Yan ang ano ni Sophia, guys. Ready ang aking baby back to school. Now, back to school na si Sophia. School time. Where you go, Sophia?
School. You are too much good.
Kasi guys, here in Nepal, guys, they need, if girl, your kids, they need, all you must to tie up like this. It should be 2. Because before, I'm putting only 1. And then when Sophia come home, she told me that, Mommy, it should, teacher said, and it should be 2. That's why I make it. Now, that's Sophia here. And then how also here is summer. It's okay like this, or you must me do like something. But for me, I prefer, I buy the hair net. So that, because she's complaining kasi because the hair. Kasi yung hair niya, sometimes it feel itchy.
Yeah, good.
Kaya I decide to, like this only supposed to be, guys. And then I decide to buy the hairnet to make it like this. So that she will not feel itching. Because if you cut also, again the problem also if you cut, again it's very difficult to doing tie up. Properly, Sophia.
I make my eyes. Mommy, look my eyes. Don't throw. Okay, this I need to use for my eyes. And I'll put a glue. Wow. Hello. Mini, I'm mini. Hi, mommy. Mommy, look back. Mini, ayah, Papa see.
Like this, guys. So look, guys, I will show you. Here in Nepal, it should be 2. That's why it's very hot. I just make it like this. Say hi.
Hi.
I'm ready for school. Good morning, everyone. Sophia is ready. Bye for now, guys. Mag-ready na muna si Sophia sa school. Bye. Back to school. Ready na si Sophia sa school. Good. Nasa him. Bye-bye.
Daddy.
Daddy, go now.
My teacher.
Oh, say first. Oh, go. Bye, Sophia. Hello, guys. Kumusta? Snack time. Tingnan nyo, guys. I put the, condense. Condense kasi transfer. Condense ang palaman. Kasi I miss the bread in the Philippines like what's that name? Bahog-bahog or whatever too much there. I put the palaman, guys. I transfer my condenser in the bottle, the empty jam bottle here so that I can stock in the fridge. And then coffee is life. Snack tayo, guys. Time check is 3:30 here. And then the weather is good. It's raining. Now, while Sophia is playing. Sophia is busy, guys. I will show you, Sophia, what she doing. Sophia, what are you doing?
Picking up piano.
Tingnan mo, guys. Oh.
And look at wait. Wait, mommy. Look,
What that
okay.
piano?
Drink.
May microphone box, guys. Oh my God.
Look at.
See, my microphone box. She telling that she will make piano. Now. Oh, she write 1, 2, 3, 4. With the compartment itself. Oh my God. Too much this Sophia
1,
doing,
2, 3,
guys.
4, 5, 6, 7.
And
Gone.
then where's the mic? Where you keep the microphone? Oh my God, you transfer there.
Look at.
Now busy siya, guys.
Mommy!
Bye-bye ulit,
Mommy!
guys. See, guys. Nag-window shopping muna si Inday. Ang ganda ng ng mga hair ponytail sa baby. Baby or malaki. Ito. Ano muna kayo, pasyal. See, ayun, oh, mayroon. Ang cute-cute nila, oh. Ang cute ng mga display nila. Ang ganda. Ayun din, oh. Yung mga Ponymon. Itong mga brand. Ito. Malapit lang to din dito sa bahay. Uy, behave, Sophia. Itong dalawa, oh, ayun, si Madam. Nagsha-shopping si Madam. Oh. Malapit ng birthday niya. Happy birthday, Madam. Ayun, may Doraemon siya. Ang cute nila.
Boy, how it is raining.
Ito, yan, ito. I think both. Bilhin mo na dalawa. Ito, maganda siya. Ayun, ang mga bag collection nila. And then, very cheap. Mga din, mura lang siya. Ayun, ang aking baby. Ito siya. Yung mostly mga ponytail. Tapos may mga bag din sila na collection. Ayun, meron din sila mga sandal. Mga towel din. Meron silang towel. Kunti lang to, maliit na shop. Tapos, ito lang siya. Ayun, oh. Tapos yung counter nila dito. Ayun, may Doraemon. Oh, naalala ko si, merong isang vlogger, si Sis Easy. Gusto niya ang Doraemon style. Ang cute ng Doraemon niya style. Tingnan nyo, guys. Cute ng Doraemon. Ang cute, no? Oh, ito, mga laruan nila. Ay, cute. Ayun, oh, maganda din, oh. Ayun, oh, maganda. May sling bag. Wala bang new? Check mo nga. Ay, in fairness, maganda siya. Kahit anong, mo. Cute siya. Ito yan, guys. Ayan, maganda siya. Ayan, busy si Inday Pristilin. Namimili. Along na to. Itong dalawang bata, oh. May mga makeup, lipstick, tapos siya. Ayun, ang cute na mga collection nila dito. Maliit lang siya. Tapos ang tawag dito, reasonable yung price niya. Hindi gaano mahal, tamang-tama lang din. May mga bra, ito siya. Tapos ito siya, banda. Yung mga kitchen, ayan. Ang cute ng kitchen nila, guys. At least ito, buti lang hindi nag-ano si Sophia, oh. Mga cute ng mga Yun si Doraemon, oh. Sis AC. Oh, ayan, cute nila lahat. Tapos ito din, oh, ang ganda ng mga ano nila guys. Oh, okay. Oh. Si Mickey, si ano po, ano ba yun? Hindi ko tom na ano, yung mga watch. Ito guys, oh, ito ang god na dito sa Nepal, yung ganyan. Tapos ito pa, ayun ang laki ni Doraemon. Naalala ko si ano, sis AC. Ito mga accessories niya. Dito din, masarap. Thank you for watching. Please be kind and be happy. Love you all. Ang cute niya, oh. Ang cute niya, di ba? Ang cute ng elephant niya to. Isa-isahin ko guys, oh. Ang cute niya. Ito din ang cute niya. Ayan, si Inday nagsha-shopping na tapos na siya magbayad. Busy na. Busy si Jane nagbayad. Happy birthday! God bless you more. Bye!